Hello, my name is Brandy, and today I will show you how to make a frozen treat for your pup. These simple and easy to make dog treats are a great way for your pup to cool down this summer. Plus, they are budget friendly and healthy too, so it's a win-win. This great treat has only 3 ingredients. So we have peanut butter, plain yogurt, and bananas. The equipment you will need is a blender or food processor, a knife to slice the bananas, a tablespoon to measure, and of course, some fun molds or ice trays. I like to do the silicone mold because it's easy to pop out the treat at the end. So now, let's make our dog treats.
Okay, first we're going to add 32 ounces of plain yogurt into our blender or food processor. Then you take 1 large banana, or if you don't have a large banana, like me, I'm going to take 2 small to medium bananas and peel and slice them up. Your slices don't have to be perfect because we're going to blend this anyway. This is just to make it easier to blend. Drop your banana slices in, and then we add 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. Make sure that the peanut butter you're using contains no xylitol, because that is toxic to dogs. The next step is to blend until creamy. You may need to pulse your blender a few times first. Get a spoon to check that everything is blended well. Yep, it looks good. I thought these flower and butterfly molds were cute for a summer treat. Now it's time to fill them with the mixture. Remember, if you don't have molds like these, an ice cube tray will work too. If you have some excess, you can just scrape it off. You can also pour the mixture directly into your molds or tray. I brought several different molds so that I can make different sizes because I have a big dog and a small dog at home. Next, we're going to freeze these for at least 2 hours in the freezer, and we'll see how they turn out.
Okay, so these have been in the freezer for almost 3 hours. They're ready to go. I would say you could do 2 hours, but if you're doing something bigger like these, you should definitely go for more time. But all of them seem pretty set and ready to go. So now they're ready to pop out of the molds and serve to your furry friend. It's as easy as that, which is why I like the silicone molds. And as you can see, it makes lots. So if you have some leftovers, you can leave them in an airtight container in the freezer. If you make some of these wonderful frozen treats for your pup, please tell us about it in the comments below, or we love pictures of dogs so you can share them with us too. Thanks for watching, and bon appetit!